is gonna be the sink here. It has a little drain. Just gonna jigsaw it in. Moment of truth!
That's a little... yeah, it's perfect.
Basically, I just have to outline it and just slowly cut it off because I don't want to cut it too big. Here we go.
That's still a little off.
It's perfect! We'll go ahead and get the funnel and the tube attached. This looks good. This is the tube that goes up into this faucet right here, which is water. Into this funnel and out the tube, out the bottom of the van. I just tied it with this so that we can always remove it, and then we can take the whole sink out if we ever needed to wash anything outside or anything like that. All right, I never got these finishing touches filmed, but we put the blue trim on just to make it look nicer. And these little latches just screwed on there. Closet doorknobs screwed in there. And that is the van sink, complete with plumbing. Cheap, easy, simplest possible way I could think to do it, custom build. So shout out to Skylar for helping me out, letting me use his tools. He loves DIY projects like this, so I didn't have to ask him twice. More videos on the way, so keep an eye out.